Hey there. So today's video is a must listen for your health. Why? We hear so much about high blood sugar, insulin resistance, diabetes, etc., and it can be tempting to tune all that information out, right? But today, I want to explore what the big deal is with blood sugar and also to share with you the secret weapon against belly fat and high blood sugar as well. All right, there we go. Before I get into all the details, in case you don't know who I am, my name is Francois. I'm the Chief Medical Exercise Specialist with the Other Pain Clinic. All right, just a few stats before we get going. And I know these kind of caught my attention as well. There is about 38% of the population right now that has pre-diabetes. Not even diabetes yet, just pre-diabetes. And then about 48% of people over 65 also have pre-diabetes. And basically, for those who have diabetes, it's about 11-12% of the population. And a percentage of that even go undiagnosed as well. Wow. This should be something that we're all paying attention to because it plays a huge role in our overall health over the long term. So what I want to share with you is also kind of like a quick look at the domino effect of how blood sugar issues can occur as well. All right, are you ready for this one? So first, over time, the blood sugar levels, they start to creep up. This can be because of maybe obesity, lack of physical activity, a high carb diet, medications, genetics, and yes, even getting older as well. The list can be very long. Secondly, the body pumps out insulin to remove the blood sugar. So this is a good thing at first, right? We want that. But over time, too much insulin can make our body resistant to it. This leaves excess blood sugar in our bloodstream. And this is when you might notice a buildup of extra belly fat as well. Third, chronic high blood sugar can lead to a long list of some potentially serious health conditions like obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and a few more. So the secret weapon to really have as a powerful ally to fight off this sugar invasion, it's regular exercise, regular physical activity, regular movement. That's been the theme of this month, right? To move, because it helps us out so much. So here's how it does help us out. Exercise and physical activity or movement can help lower blood sugar levels as our muscles burn sugar as fuel. Also, exercise improves our insulin sensitivity. The regular being consistent with our exercise helps our cells become more receptive to insulin, helping to keep your blood sugar levels in check or in balance. Also, exercise helps control our weight. Being at a maintained healthy weight can help prevent insulin resistance as well. And number 4 is that exercise and being physically active does boost our overall health. Regular physical activity helps to promote better heart health, strengthens our immune systems, lifts our mood as well. Plus, it can help keep the nagging sugar cravings at bay as well. Look, I think we all go through various phases where we may also struggle to make exercise a regular part of our lives, and we may need some guidance. So in the 30 days for more energy, better health, just a short 4-week program, this can really help you out. If you want to know more, send me a direct message or contact me at theotherpainclinic.com under the contact page. Because, this program is designed to help navigate from where we're at right now, not having or not the perception of not having the time to fit exercise into our schedule or our busy week. And yes, we kind of know the value and the importance of it, but where do we get that kind of connected? That's where, as your coach, I help you out. So, like I said, to find out a little bit more information, send me a direct message and we'll go from there. Remember, every step you take towards regular activity is a step towards better health. Make your day an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.